Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the maximum love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I want to share with you wonders the state shall never see. This is Progress the Analyst, and here we keep you updated. We bring all the updates to your notice. A lot of things are already in public, so we know when we are seeing some kind of things. Okay, now this video you are going to watch, you are going to drop your opinion in the comment section. The good news is Attorney Levy have sent message to the Deputy Prime Minister regarding what Simon Ekpa really need and what Simon Ekpa want them to do henceforth. And it was a very great one. But I will still tell you some things that the Biafran people still ask, some questions they ask, because when I also upload some videos, the same thing you ask, at times I will upload video of the acting prime minister, they will tell me, oh, Progress the Analyst, we want to see the person that say it, let the attorney come and say it himself. The same thing is happening right now. Yes, we did not hear from the attorney, but he sent the message to the deputy prime minister to pass to everyone. Now we are going to listen carefully on everything that she's going to say and drop your opinion in the comment section. Meanwhile, there is also a statement she made about the message that the prime minister sent during the Finland redeclaration of the Biafra states. Now, I want to follow every bit and drop your opinion in the comment section, and I'll be right back.
I'm also happy. Biafrans are also happy that Nigeria recognized that my humble self, Dr. Orobweze, is the Deputy Prime Minister, the second in command to His Excellency Prime Minister Simon Ekpa. If all the Nigerian newspapers, all the Nigerian leadership recognizes that, I don't know who you are to think otherwise. So you can continue to operate in the black market. But at the end of the day, you will know that the leadership of the United States of Biafra, Obatobia, has laid the structure from day one, and nobody can tamper with that. We are ready to work with everyone. But we have only one government. And we must ensure we have discipline in our government. And that discipline goes to my humble self. I also want to use this opportunity to let Biafrans know that our attorney Levy was able to communicate with His Excellency yesterday.
Oh.
Yes. And after that, he sent a message to me. And he also sent a message I'm going to pass on to you right now.
All glory to God.
Oh.
Prime Minister is still. Obato dear want us to again, I know the message is not for us. He talked about the social media chaos that Ofodu Nebu, you know. We know that message, we are clear on that message, as all those that are following his footsteps, all those that are guarding our what we do online, all those that are following whatever Obato Obie has instructed, what he was doing with us before this incident is what I know we are doing. We are not deviating. We are not changing. But Obatobia sent a message to Attorney Levy that the social media chaos, the social media madness, I am that it should stop. It should stop. It should stop. Man, it's going to call. Why not only to come on social media prove a point? Mandina Asiasini in Hanasi. Abatobie has sent a message that should stop.
This is a very great move. Anybody that is able to see, hear, talk with the Biafra Prime Minister Simon Ekpa should please extend my appreciation to him. We are so grateful with this type of change. Abba, all those eye service people, brother, sister, every day you want to do exposition. The only thing you have in stock to say or to pass to the people is about the deputy prime minister or the acting prime minister. It's about one issue or the other. Oh my goodness. You know this, you know that, you know everything that is happening in the struggle. The social media madness does not really worth it at all. Does not worth the time that you should be telling people about what Finland is doing, the time that you know one thing happen in southeastern part of Nigeria that you bring to the notice of the public, the time that you reason well. You use more than 2 good months to say things that are not relevant. You expose everything, both the in and out. What you should not say, you say them because you want to prove a point. Simon Ekpa don tell you, say he no wan hear all those madness. And if you obey him, you will listen to him. If you will not listen to him, listen to the deputy prime minister that received the message. She passed her true message. She passed her true word. This is what Simon Ekpa wants. Obey Simon Ekpa, or you listen to the deputy prime minister to stop the social media madness. Thank you, ma. Let's go on.
Overall. And we are very, very happy. I was very, very happy. And probably we have to, like I said, we must continue what we are doing. He was limited to what he can say, again, because of the restrictions, which we know. Even though Obatobia has been allowed to, there is a relaxation in the communication, but there is also some restrictions. And all of us here should be able to know that when you are restricted, with all the lies Nigerian government has lied against Obatobia, there might be restrictions to things he can say and things he cannot say. And I totally understand that. And I believe all of you here understand that. Just like when our own Oyendu, as he is being restricted, there are things that they don't want him to say. There are things they don't want him to do because the criminals are going to capitalize on that. So when they restrict some of the things he said, all of us here should be able to understand that that is per se protocol. And the imago, somebody that is being restricted, there is a limit to what that person can say or do. That is a very common thing that all of us have to do. So even our attorney is just kind of limited to imago question, things that Obatobia can say and all that, which he understood. I totally understood. And I believe all Biafrans will be able to understand that. Just like when we were in Finland, I keep giving that example when there was an instruction from Obatobia that cancel the redeclaration of Biafra, that we should cancel that. So all of us said I've been following Obatobia. We know that now, even under gunpoint, such words, but him saying that should be able to let us all know the restrictions that Finland is applying.
Some of my followers also proved some point to me that when they return from Finland, we all know that some set of people were accused of trying to hijack the redeclaration of Biafra. They said these people don't want the redeclaration to happen. Hence, Dr. Ngozi declared the declaration on 29th instead of 2nd. They said there are some persons that are trying to block it. They want to fight. That is the illusion that we have. That is what was put on earth for people to believe, that some set of people are the ones trying to hijack the redeclaration. But glory be to God that whatever anyone is doing on earth is just a time. The truth shall speak. Now the truth is out, and the deputy prime minister expatiated on that aspect, that it was Simon Ekpa himself that sent the message for them to cancel it. Oh my goodness, my brother, my sister, you when you don't fight that brother, that sister, say na in concern, they want to fight in Finland, they want to stop the declaration. What are we now hearing? What are we now? See, at times, there are some people that they not they forget, and you cannot easily fool them. At times, when they stand for what they believe, they stand for their right, people look at them like, oh, you are troublesome, or you are this, you are that. It's not really true. Some persons, they say, they are toxic because they stand for their truth. It's just that those people, I love them because they cannot easily be fooled. There are some people that believe that story that was put out there, that some persons are trying to hijack the real declaration. They want to fight in Finland. They want to be cancelled. But oh, glory be to God. Our deputy prime minister just said Simon Ekpa was the one that brings that instruction. Bikonu, how will you feel now with all those many lies, all those many things you have said about people? How will you really sleep? Do you really have a conscience? So I said I will be pointing at all these things one after the other to everyone, so that you go know, say, people they listen to una, they learned and they also unlearned. So there is nothing anyone can do about it. Let's continue.
So we allow the process to play out, just like we've said before. We are going to watch and see how this game is going to end up between Finland, Nigeria, and Biafra. That is the bottom line. All of us are watching. We are doing everything possible. And we believe in the not too distant time, Obatobe is going to join us. So that is the message I have today from that angle. Thank you so much.
In other words, this is the end to saga, yes. This is the end to social media saga, yes. I think they can still work out as one, together, to bring out the best, to support Simon Ekpa, yes. Do you think things can still work out together with them? Yes. Do you think the conflict can be resolved? Yes. The bottom line is, a lot of Biafrans are also saying that they want to hear this information direct from the attorney before they will also believe. Hey, oh, now not say this one are the part of people when you say you not go understand. Something like this must always come up. Some people like this must always say this, that they want to also hear direct from the attorney. It should come on air to say that this one are waiting Simon Ekpa tell me. Oh, now no say that thing Thomas full everywhere. They said, Jesus, I want to really touch the hole in your hands where they named that hole for that your hand. I want touch am to know whether na you or not. It has been part of a lot of Biafran people that they don't believe. You know, it's just that when they don't see, I made they tell you, say they won't hear am from the person direct. So what is your take on everything that is happening? Thank you so much for always tuning in. Please do well to share this video, like and subscribe. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst, any day, anytime, and I will keep you updated. Thank you and bye for now.